Here's a 2018 Honda Civic Hatchback. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, smart entry key, dual zone climate control, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Road and Track writes, driving even the base version of this new Civic transports you back to a time when Hondas were actually sporty, cool, and even fun to drive. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Thayer Honda is happy to pass the savings and quality on to our customers. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 1019 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.